Hello everyone! Today, we'll walk you through the seamless process of completing the Maldives Traveler Declaration Form using the user-friendly IMUGA platform. If you're traveling to the Maldives soon, this guide is your essential companion. Let's dive right in. Firstly, visit the official IMUGA website by clicking the link provided in the description below. Once there, click on New Application. After selecting New Application, take a moment to review the travel advisory. When you're ready, click Continue. Now, choose your travel type, whether you're traveling to Maldives or departing from Maldives. For our tutorial, we'll focus on traveling to Maldives. In this step, you have the option to make the process faster by uploading your passport for automatic filling. Alternatively, click Skip Upload. That's what we'll do for now. Following that, select your nationality from the drop-down menu. Then, select your purpose of visit. Now, proceed to enter your given name exactly as it appears on your passport. Next up, enter your last name. Select your gender from the provided options. Enter your date of birth. Now, enter your passport number precisely as it is on the passport. Provide the expiration date of your passport. Choose your current country of residence. Enter your email address. Include your contact number. Once you've filled in all your personal details, confidently click Next to proceed to the next step. Fantastic! Let's delve into the specifics of your travel plans. Have a look at your airline ticket to locate the designated port of entry, usually Valana International Airport. Enter the date you'll arrive in the Maldives. Choose your mode of transport, whether it's by air or by sea. For this tutorial, we're selecting by air. Next, provide your flight number. If you happen to have your seat number, feel free to add it here. It's optional. Now, enter the number of days you plan to stay. Specify the country from which you are departing. Locate the PNR number on your airline ticket and enter it. Mention your next destination after the Maldives. If you're staying at a resort, input the resort name and click Next. In the next section, declare your health information by answering the questions based on your situation and then click Next. Now, it's time to upload a clear photo of yourself following the guidelines mentioned on the platform. Once your photo is uploaded, confidently click Submit. After hitting Submit, you'll be presented with a QR code. Be sure to save this QR code. And there you have it. You've successfully completed the Maldives Traveler Declaration Form. Thank you for joining us. If you found this video beneficial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel tips and information, and drop any questions you may have in the comments below. Wishing you an incredible trip to the Maldives, and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.